Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your YouTube shorts are not loading, glitching or playing weirdly, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solution to fix YouTube shorts glitch on your phone. So let's get started. For that, you want to go ahead and simply swipe off from the bottom and then close the YouTube app completely and then reopen it from your home screen. So after you do that, go ahead and simply open up your settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, scroll below, then tap on YouTube, tap on Upload App, then tap on Upload App again. Doing this will help you free up the storage and also help you to clear the cache. Once done, head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store. Inside App Store, go ahead and search for YouTube. And once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it. If you see update instead of open, go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Outdated version often cause glitches, so go ahead and update it. Also make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data because YouTube search are video heavy, so weak internet can cause playback glitches. If you're still having issues after following these steps, you want to go ahead and simply uninstall YouTube application and reinstall it from your App Store. So that's it guys, your YouTube short should now be loading and playing normally. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.